This is the Rolling Square Edge Pro, a modular tech accessory designed to transform your workspace into an ultra-productive workstation. Its sleek design and innovative functionality make it a versatile addition to any setup. Let's dive into what makes it stand out. The Edge Pro allows you to magnetically attach and configure your devices in various ways. It's perfect for mounting your phone or even your iPad to your laptop or desk setup. Compatible with Apple MagSafe, the Edge Pro securely holds your iPhone without need for additional accessories. Its unique CNC machined hinge offers up to 30 degrees of adjustment, ensuring optimal visibility for your phone screen in portrait or landscape mode. Crafted with precision, the Edge Pro combines durability with minimalism. It's as thin as 4 credit cards, yet sturdy enough to hold larger devices like tablets to your laptop, although you will need 2 cores for this. Thanks to a carefully engineered array of 30 N52 magnets, it offers unparalleled strength while maintaining portability. The unibody aluminum construction ensures a premium, long-lasting build. What sets the Edge Pro apart is its modular ecosystem. Attach multiple devices simultaneously, use the wireless charger for 15-watt fast charging, or pair the Edge Pro Lite for up to 1000 lumens of adjustable brightness. Whether you're working from home or on the go, it's designed to keep everything in sight, manage calls, boost content creation, and more, all while staying lightweight and compact. Better yet, the core itself isn't just restricted to your laptop. You can use it in a bunch of different ways, like in your kitchen while cooking, or as a car mount using the included nano suction layer. The full kit for the Edge Pro is currently on Amazon for $89. If you've got any questions, let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more.